Your Android phone might feel fast, but behind the scenes, ads are popping up everywhere, draining data, slowing things down, and tracking what you do. Most people don't even realize how many ads are running in the background. But turning them off is quick and it can make your phone feel brand new. Let's block them right now. First, open up the Settings app on your Android phone. Then tap on the search icon, type DNS, then tap on Private DNS. Again, tap Private DNS, select Private DNS Provider Hostname. Here you need to type dns.adguard.com. After that, tap Save. This is how we block advertisements on different websites and in games. Next, we will block the advertising emails that we receive to our email address. When you register on different websites, you agree to their terms of use. Often on the condition of these terms is receiving advertising emails from them. But many people don't know that each such email has an unsubscribe button at the bottom of this email. Just click on it and you'll stop receiving ads from this website. Now I'll show you how to do this. This method works for all email services, but I'll show you this in Gmail. Open any promotional mail. Here you can see the unsubscribe button. Sometimes it won't show here. Then you need to go all the way down, look for the unsubscribe button, tap on it. Now your promotional mail might be stopped. Let's check the other settings. Open the Chrome app on your phone. Next, tap on the three dots icon in the top right corner. Then tap on Settings. Scroll down to the bottom. Tap Site Settings. Then tap on Notifications. Here you will get the website list to send you advertisements notifications. Tap one of them and make sure to toggle off Allow Notification. And that's it. Now you know how to turn off all ads on your Android phone. If this video helped, feel free to drop your question in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Stay tuned.